Whoa, look at that view.
Hope you're looking at me.
Most people head straight to the north coast, but what if I told you that some of Northern Ireland's most peaceful, scenic and forgotten gems are hiding just east of Belfast?
Hi from Wandering Flunky.
Hello.
Hi, we're on the road again, and this time we are doing a little day trip, and we have started off in
Bangor
in Northern Ireland, not too far away from home. So we just decided, because the weather's beautiful here for a change, that we're getting our summer, that we decide to have a little look at the sort of east side of Northern Ireland. So we started off in Bangor.
Yes, we're going to start off in Bangor, have a wee look around on the drone, and then we're going to go up the coastal way.
Sort of Malile, Donaghadee
Yeah.
sort of direction. Sorry, that was the wrong way about.
And then, what was it,
Ballyhalbert,
Yeah.
that direction. And I think we want to kind of finish off at the most eastern point, which is Burr Point.
Burr Point,
Yeah.
yeah. Some of the locals call it Lovers Point, some call it the camper van point, but there's a big car park there apparently. So we're going to check it out today. Doesn't take long. We're looking forward to it, and the weather is great, so stay tuned, okay?
Stay tuned. Bye from Wandering Funky.
Yeah.
Bye.
A seaside town just a stone throws away from Belfast. The marina here feels almost Mediterranean on a calm morning. Boats bobbing gently, cafes waking up. It's a peaceful start. Plenty of bars and restaurants in Bangor, along with Bangor Castle. Look at it. Open to the public, and you can visit the walled garden. 10 minutes up the road is Donaghadee. This lighthouse has stood here for nearly 200 years, watching over the sea like a sentinel. And if you're lucky, grab a scoop from the cabin. It's a tradition. This place offers surreal sunsets over the harbour. Multicoloured houses like Tobermory in Scotland looking over the harbour, and then you've got Pier 36, an excellent bar for cracking pints, creamy pints, and then you have the captain's table, exquisite fresh seafood and bar food. Look at it, absolutely stunning. Just off the coast of Donaghadee lies Copeland Island. Quiet, windswept, and teeming with seabirds. A hidden gem rarely seen up close, which you can get a ferry to, which leaves regularly. This is Ballycopeland Windmill, the last working windmill of its kind in Northern Ireland. Once vital for grinding grain in the 1800s, today it stands as beautifully restored glimpse into a rural past, still catching the wind, just as it did centuries ago. Tucked away in the County Down countryside lies Wolburn House, a grand Georgian estate with roots tracing back to the 18th century. Once a private family residence, today it welcomes guests to step back in time, surrounded by tranquil gardens and historic charm. It's more than just a house, it's a window into a different era, quietly telling stories of elegance, legacy, and timeless beauty.
Hi from Wandering Flunky. Here we are again on another little journey.
Yes, that's the end of our journey. Just a wee day out along the
Mourne Coastal Route.
Coastal Route, yes. So this is the east side of Northern Ireland, and we have ended up in
Burr Point.
Yep.
The most eastern point in Northern Ireland in Ireland. So it is a little bit windy here, but look behind us. You can see it. The most beautiful little view as well. And we have the E here, which actually marks the most eastern point. Down here, the actual centre of this circle is the most eastern point of Northern Ireland. So yeah, it's just little stopover, have a little gander at the view. So yeah, just a promptu day out in Northern Ireland.
Yes, like we said earlier on, it only takes a day to go up the east coast here, and it's great. There's lots of wee little villages, and the coastal route itself is excellent. And if you keep going on from here, you can end up in Downpatrick, Newcastle, and then the Mourne Mountains. So this journey can continue on. But it's not the most well-known journey, as most people head down towards the Giant's Causeway.
Giant's Causeway direction, or just skip out sort of the Malile, Ballyhalbert direction, Donaghadee, and just head towards the Mournes directly. So yeah, if you are thinking of doing a day trip around Northern Ireland, take the long way around, do the whole entire Mourne coastal route, and you'll get some spectacular views.
So, if you have any more suggestions, please leave a comment in the YouTube video, or if you have any comments about the video, and
yeah, just give us some suggestions. Where do you want us to do next? Tell us where you want us to do next. We are very, very open to options. So yeah, we can get the drone up, get some footage for you guys. Tell us what you want to see.
And if you have any memories, please leave a like and share it in the comments of what that memory is of Burr Point. It can be anything. So that is us, Wandering Flunky.
Until next time, folks.
Goodbye.
Bye.
A beautiful sunset over Burr Point.